like, oh heck no, I got it.
Go now.
There we go.
Go. No.
Watch out for the poops.
Thomas.
Yeah?
So what?
What you got there, buddy? A bat. That's right. Very good. Yeah. You gonna go hit the ball? Wow. Good job. Good job.
Thomas, you can help him hold the bat. I'll let you. Try and help him hold the bat.
Okay, stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. Stay right there.